Good evening to everyone. I'm Nandana. I'm going to take disaster management today. Disaster management. Disaster management can be defined as the organization and management of resource and responsibilities for dealing with the humanitarian aspects of emergency, in particular preparedness, response, and recovery in order to lessen the impact of disasters. Disasters are consequences of natural or human hazards. Types of disaster. There are four types of disaster: natural disasters, man-made disaster, complex emergencies, pandemic emergencies. Natural disaster. According to the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, natural disasters are naturally occurring physical phenomenon caused either by rapid or slow onset event that have immediate impact on human health and secondary impact causing further death and suffering. ரீசெண்டாக நம்ம சென்னையில் கூட ஃப்ளட் வந்தது எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். அதுவும் நேச்சுரல் டிசாஸ்டர் தான். And these disasters can be geophysical, example earthquake, landslide, tsunami, and volcanic activity. Hydrological, example avalanches and floods. Climatological, example extreme temperature, drought, and wildfire. Uh, Meteorological, example cyclone and storm or wave surges. Biological, example disease, epidemics, and insect animal plagues. The United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction characterizes natural disaster in relation to their magnitude or intensity, speed of onset, duration, and area to extent. Example: earthquake are of short during and usually affect a relative small region, whereas droughts are slow to develop and fade away, often affect large region. Man-made disaster. Man-made disaster as viewed by the International Federation of Red Crosses and Red Crescent Societies are events that are caused by humans, which occur in or close to human settlement, often caused as a result of environmental and technological emergencies. This can include environmental degradation, pollution, ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ். நம்ம இந்தியாவில் நிறைய ஆக்சிடெண்ட் ரீசெண்டாக நடந்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. சிக்னலில் நிறுத்தாமல் போகுது, அதெல்லாம் மேன்மேட் டிசாஸ்டரில் வரும். எக்ஸாம்பிள் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல், technological, and transport, usually involving the production, use, or transport of hazardous materials. Complex emergencies. Some disaster can result from multiple hazards or more often to a complex combination of both natural and man-made causes which involve a breakdown of authorities, looting and attacks on strategic installations, including conflict situation and war. This can include food insecurity, epidemics, armed conflict, and displaced population. According to ICRC, this complex emergency are typically characterized by extensive violence, dis- displacement of population, loss of life, widespread damage to both societies and economics, need for large-scale humanitarian assistance across multiple agencies, political and military constraints which impact or prevent humanitarian assistance, increased security risk for humanitarian relief workers. Pandemic emergencies. Pandemic is an epidemic of infectious diseases that has spread across a large region. இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக கொரோனா வைரஸ் பேண்டமிக் எமர்ஜென்சிஸில் தான் வரும், which can occur to the human population or animal population and may affect health and distribute service, leading to economic and social costs. It may be an unusual or unexpected increase in the number of cases of an infectious diseases which already exist in a certain region or population, or can also prefer to the appearance of a significant number of cases of an infectious diseases in a region or population that is usually free from that diseases. A pandemic emergency may occur as a consequence of natural or man-made disaster. This includes the following epidemics, that is Ebola, Zika, avian flu, cholera, dengue fever, malaria, yellow fever, coronavirus diseases. இதெல்லாம் pandemic emergencies வரும். And aspects of disaster management. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies defines disaster management as a organization and management of resource and responsible for dealing with all the humanitarian aspects of emergencies, in particular preparedness, response and recovery, in order to lessen the impact of disasters. Disaster prevention, how to prevent the disasters வந்து இங்க காமனா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. UNIDRR, United National Disaster Risk Recovery, views disaster prevention as the concepts of engaging in activity which intend to prevent or avoid potential adverse impact through action taken in advance. Activity designed to provide protection from the occurrence of disasters. WCPT similarly highlights that while not all disaster can be prevented, some disaster cannot be prevented. So அது வந்து WCPT சொல்றாங்க. Good risk management, evacuation plans, environmental planning and design stands can reduce risk of loss of life and injury. Mitigation. The Hyogo framework was one such global plan for natural disaster risk reduction, which was adopted in 2005 as a 10-year global plan and signed by agreement with 168 governments, which offered guideline principles. Priorities for action and practical means for achieving disaster resilience for vulnerable communities. Here is a small summarization. Pictureல இருக்கு. And டிசாஸ்டர் வந்தால் என்னென்ன பண்ணணும், ப்ரிவென்ஷன், அதோட ஸ்மால் சமரைசேஷன் தான் இது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிக்சர் வந்து ஷவுட் ஃபார் ஹெல்ப். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிசாஸ்டர் வந்தால் நம்ம வந்து ஹெல்ப்புக்கு வந்து கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. பீப்புள் அரௌண்ட் மைட் கம் ஃபார் ஹெல்ப். அண்ட் செகண்ட் வந்து கால் ஃபார் ஆம்புலன்ஸ். இப்போ உங்கள் ஏரியாவில் வந்து டிசாஸ்டர் வந்துச்சுன்னா எமர்ஜென்சி நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம எடுத்து வச்சுக்கணும். கீப் ஆல் எமர்ஜென்சி அண்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் நம்பர் வித் யூ. Most important வந்து always keep first aid kit in the house or public or private vehicle and workplaceல வந்து நமக்கு தேவையான ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எய்ட் கிட்ட எப்பவுமே ப்ரிப்பேர்டா வச்சுக்கணும். அண்ட் டிசாஸ்டர் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ரீசைக்கிள். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிசாஸ்டர் வந்தால் ப்ரிப்பேர்டாக இருக்கணும். நம்ம வந்து ப்ரிவென்ஷன் முன்னாடியே எடுத்துக்கணும். டிசாஸ்டர் வரதுக்கு முன்னாடியே consequence planning and warning and evacuation, consolidate preparation for next disaster, individual disaster response, immediate secure your safety and of other, or rescue and provide first aid kit, secure supplies, response or relief. immediate intervention, search and rescue, security, food, water, shelter and sanitation, clothes, medical and trauma care during short term. Rehabilitation, restoration of basic service and functions during weeks to months. Reconstruction, a full resumption of service plus preventive measures during months of years. Mitigation, risk assessment prevention, hazard mapping, hazard and vulnerability assessment, structural or non-structural measures எடுத்துக்கணும். Thank you, ma'am.